There are some rules that we have to play by when we take a cruise. Some of them are written and some are unwritten. If you've ever been on a cruise and come across cruise taboo, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up and Away Travel. Thank you for stopping in and welcome back to my channel. This channel is about everything travel. Travel hacks, travel tips, travel news, and destination videos. If you want to be a more informed traveler, then subscribe to this channel now. All cruise ships have rules. Some of them are written, some of them are common sense and common courtesy. You must remember that there are certain things you cannot do on a cruise ship. I'm going to tell you about some of the cruise ship taboos that you know about, and some of you continue to break these rules. So keep watching. This will be good. Having sex in public places. I know the motion of the ocean makes you feel like you want to get it on. After having a few of those margaritas or taking some tequila shots, you think the hot tub or somewhere like that is a pretty nice place to get you a little bit. But it's not. Getting it on the balcony is not a good place either. Sometimes the bridge and the officers on the deck can actually see what's going on your balcony. So keep in mind that you are not totally by yourself on your balcony. You do not want to get caught in a hot tub trying to get some or anywhere else other than in your cabin. Don't hide out trying to get a little bit in public places on the ship. Another one is saving chairs for people. I know saving chairs is a big deal. People get up early in the morning, find that perfect place on the deck next to the pool, and they put their towel down, or they put one sandal or one flip-flop on one of the loungers just to save their place, and then they disappear and go to the buffet somewhere. That's not cool. But it even gets deeper than that. Some people save theater seats, comedy club seats, things like that, and sometimes their guest never even shows up. That's not cool at all. Don't save seats for people that are not going to show up. Only save the seats that you know that your people are going to be there and use. I'm trying to get to see the show as well. So why would you have 3 or 4 seats and then I'm sitting there in the back, come to find out your people don't show up? That ain't cool. Be respectful of your other cruisers. Let them sit where they want to. Your people that are late, they have to find another seat. Cutting in line, that's another one. You know you shouldn't cut in line, but people cut in line for several reasons. They cut in the buffet line. They cut in the disembarkment line. They cut in the line to get to the excursions. People are always cutting in line. But if you're running behind, that's your fault. Then you need to get in the back of the line. We are all in that line for the same exact reason. Do not cut in the line after someone's been waiting there, waiting their turn to get whatever it is we're trying to get to. Don't cut the line. Now, washing your hands. Not washing your hands. Have you ever been in the restroom and you see someone come out of the toilet and then they walk right out of the door and then you see them in the buffet line? Oh, how nasty. Wash your hands. There's sinks and soap everywhere. Wash your hands. You are just trying to spread germs. Wash your hands after you touch handrails, after you touch anything. We do not want your germs. Wash your hands. I know there's hand sanitizer throughout the ship. That works well for you in a pinch, but it does not take the place of good old soap and water. So wash your hands every chance you get while you're on the ship. There's a lot of hands touching everything, and we will pass germs along if we don't try to stop that. So wash your hands every chance you get. Know that your selfishness and your poor hygiene just exposes other people to potential illness. Don't put other people at risk. Wash your hands. Ignoring the buffet rules. Have you ever seen someone reach and grab some food with their bare hands? Now let's just think about the thing that we just talked about not washing your hands. But they grab some type of food item, whether it's a roll, a pastry, or bacon. It's nasty. They have tongs and spoons. If you don't see those items, ask someone. There are probably utensils really close, and they can get them for you. That's what they're there for you to use to get the food, not your hands. Do not reach under that sneeze guard to get any food. Don't put your hands on the food. Just think about it. You're eating some food that somebody else might have touched. Nah. Do you want to eat some food that someone else has touched? Don't answer that. I don't want to know the answer. Disrespecting the local culture. When you go to a foreign country, they have customs and rules that you should be aware of. Don't go somewhere and not know exactly what those cultures and customs are. You could disrespect them easily. Find out what they are before you go. I did a video on cultural customs in a foreign country. Watch it. You will be amazed at how many different customary acts that they have in different countries. Be familiar with them before you go there. Removing your gratuities on a cruise ship. With a few exceptions, you should not remove your gratuities. Your gratuities are the tips that are spread amongst a lot of different people. I'm not talking about just your waiters and your waitresses. I'm talking about the cooks in the back. I'm talking about the people that sweep the floor, mop the floor. I'm talking about everybody behind the scenes. These gratuities are spread amongst all these different people, and they need these tips. And it's really not that much if you look at it and all the people that it's spread across. So removing it is taboo to me, and it's taboo to remove them anyway. Tip these people and don't worry about it. It's usually not that much. Flushing unflushables. Have you ever seen the picture over the toilet that has things like a banana peel, a truck, or a duck, or anything like that they say do not put in the toilet? Then don't put things in the toilet that are unflushable. It is there for a reason, because it will cause a problem to the system, and you don't want your toilet backed up. You get your toilet backed up, now that's a problem in your cabin, and that just messes up your vacation. So don't flush things that they say that you should not flush in the toilet. It's simple. They have trash cans there. They will empty your trash can every day. So the things they say, put in the trash can, put it in the trash can, and do not put it in the toilet. Toilet paper, and you know what else, only in the toilet. Forcing yourself on a full elevator. Have you ever seen someone thinking, We can get one more person on there. No, it can't. You can't get one more person on there. Who wants to be crammed in an elevator? I mean, all the people touching and squeezed together and breathing on each other's neck, and people drunk, and you're smelling their alcohol and their sweaty bodies and everything. If you see the elevator is full, unfortunately, wait for the next one or take the stairs. Don't force yourself in a full elevator. Rushing into the elevator. So the elevator is getting ready to close. Let the door close. There's no need for you to run up and stick your hand in there and I mean, it's gonna be another elevator coming. If it's not, there's stairs. Usually there are at least 4 to 6 elevators in a bank. Wait for another elevator. People rush in an elevator, holding up an elevator. There's no need to do that. I know you need to get to the theater. I know you need to get to dining. Next time, leave a little more earlier and stop rushing into elevators. Not reporting if you're ill. If you feel bad, tell someone. Let them know that you are going through something, because if you have a situation where you are going to pass along a bug, the ship needs to know. They need to do something about that before it spreads throughout the ship and contaminates several people and get them sick as well. Let someone know that you are feeling bad and get that taken care of. It is so easy to get it taken care of at the beginning than it would be if you get yourself sick, everybody in your cabin, and so on, and you got several people on your floor, in your dining room, and it just goes on and on and on, and maybe a lot of people could get sick from you not telling if you're sick. Ignoring the crew's instructions. Now, the crew is there to help you and keep you safe. So whatever their instructions are, that is the law. Obey the rules of the crew. When they say you have to do muster, do muster. It's for your safety. If they say don't walk on the wet floor, don't walk on the wet floor. If they lock down something, I've seen people take the net off the hot tub in the middle of the night and get in the hot tub. It's a reason that net's on there. It's not about them just keeping you out. They have to adjust the pH, and it needs to sit until the pH is right. So they put that net on there to stop you from getting in there, but also so that the tub can get stable. Don't get in it. Listen to your instructions by your crew. Have you ever encountered any of these taboos? If so, leave me a comment. Let me know which taboos you come across, or if you heard of any other ones. Also, share this video. Share this video with anyone who is cruising, anyone planning on cruising or have cruised. Like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Be sure you subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel helps me grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I upload another video. Until our paths cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman.